Hey, what's good, guys? So, I thought it would be kind of cool to first thank everybody for subscribing, and for the new viewers, I hope this video comes out good for you guys and helps you do something cool. I was going to use it in controller mode, but man, I'm just going to stick to what I know works, and standalone mode for me works. It's just human error on my part, and I'll get it fixed. But I really wanted to see if the audio tracks were just like the plugins were just like the audio tracks in 2.3, and they are. You only get 8 in standalone mode, but you do get unlimited in the computer DAW mode or whatever. But I wanted to go ahead and just make a song or 8 different tracks with just TubeSynth, just to show what it can do. Really, just I'm gonna go random sounds and kind of go through it. So without further ado, I hope everybody enjoys the video, and before we do that, let's get this done real quick and then we'll check it out. Cool, guys, so this is going to be all TubeSynth. I have 7 tracks recorded. Hopefully you can see that alright here. Let's go ahead and go to track mute. I'm going to mute these. So one at a time. This is track 1. So what I did, I'm not sure if I showed it on the last video, but I just went to my sampler, and while that was playing, I just sliced it. Go ahead and save that, and create a program with non-destructive blah blah blah, and then this is the sample that I came out with. If I can just unmute these and go back and just play them. So we heard what the song sounded like. Now we can hear this part here. I'm just going to keep going with that and see what we can do, okay? We should try to make 3 different parts. I'm not going to put them all in sequence and all that. I just want to show how I took that regular old sound and going to change it up. And that was pretty fast. I like this one. And I didn't put none of those notes in that sequence is what I'm saying, so it's just like sampling a record. Other than that, man, I just hope that the videos come out good and that everybody enjoys. Any pointers you can point my way, throw them at me, man. I'm no genius. I don't know any more than anybody else does on here. I just try to make time every day to do it, and I love doing this. So you guys make my day whenever I see that little like or subscribe button, man. I check it constantly. I just love doing it, and that's why I love the MPCX, because you can be a one-man band, not being selfish. You can still do collaboration, but it's hard to find people around town that, back in the day you had to get together in the garage and find a garage and all that stuff. It's just really cool, man. But everybody stay safe, be safe, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.